Hello everyone! If you're looking to transform your garden into a vibrant oasis without spending every morning with a hose in hand, you've clicked on the right video. Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of modern irrigation to bring you the top 7 smart sprinklers, the ultimate guide to keeping your garden green. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone trying to save on that water bill, upgrading to a smart sprinkler system can be a game changer. And let's face it, who doesn't want a little more time in their day and a little more money in their pocket, all while helping the planet? We've lined up some of the most innovative systems out there, including the Yardian Pro, Wyze Sprinkler Controller, Hydrawise HC, Netro Sprite, RainMachine Touch HD-12, B-hyve XR, and the Rachio 3. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Why smart sprinklers? Now you might be wondering, why switch to a smart sprinkler system? Well, let's talk about the undeniable benefits these innovative gadgets offer. First up, water conservation. Smart sprinklers are designed with the environment in mind. They adjust watering based on local weather conditions. Think less watering during rain spells and more during dry spells. This not only saves water, but also ensures that we're using our resources more responsibly. And then there's the cost savings. With more efficient water usage, your utility bills will start to shrink. Imagine lowering your water bill by up to 30%. Over time, the sprinkler system practically pays for itself, making it a smart investment for your wallet and the planet. Convenience is another major perk. These systems can be controlled right from your phone. Whether you're at home or away, you can adjust settings, schedule watering times, and even monitor water usage. That means more free time for you and less worrying about your garden. Lastly, let's not forget about plant health. Smart sprinklers provide exactly the right amount of water at the right time. This tailored approach prevents over or under watering, which means your plants grow healthier and stronger. With all these benefits, it's clear that upgrading to a smart sprinkler system is a win-win-win. It's better for your pocketbook, your schedule, and your garden. Top 7 Countdown. Now that you know the why, let's dive into the how. Get ready for our top 7 countdown of the best smart sprinkler systems on the market today. Yardian Pro. Kicking off our countdown at number 7, we have the Yardian Pro. This isn't just any sprinkler controller, it's your garden's new best friend. The Yardian Pro is designed with versatility and sustainability in mind. It boasts a built-in camera for real-time yard surveillance, which means it doubles as a security device. Plus, it's equipped with smart watering algorithms based on local weather conditions, ensuring that your garden receives the precise amount of water it needs. No more, no less. And for those who love a bit of tech in their gardening, the Yardian Pro is a dream. It supports multiple smart home integrations, easily connecting with Alexa and Google Home. That's right, you can manage your irrigation system with just your voice. Diving deeper into what sets the Yardian Pro apart at number 7, let's talk durability. This system isn't just smart, it's tough. The Yardian Pro is built to withstand the elements. Thanks to its IP56 waterproof rating and UV-resistant casing, no matter how harsh the weather, be it heavy rain or scorching sunlight, your sprinkler's internal components are safe. This is technology designed to last. And it's not just about being waterproof. The Yardian Pro features an enhanced double latching design, specifically engineered for strengthened water sealing. That means even during the wildest storms, your irrigation system is protected. So, if your outdoor space needs a resilient, smart watering solution that can handle anything Mother Nature throws its way, the Yardian Pro should definitely be on your list. Now let's see what's at number 6. Another incredible tool that could revolutionize the way you water your garden. Wyze Sprinkler Controller. At number 6 on our list, we introduce the Wyze Sprinkler Controller, a device that brings smart technology straight to your lawn. The Wyze Sprinkler Controller isn't just about watering your plants. It's about optimizing your entire garden's hydration system. With the ability to manage up to 8 zones independently, this controller adapts to the specific needs of different parts of your garden, ensuring that each section gets exactly what it needs, when it needs it. and it's all at your fingertips. Using the Wyze app, you can create custom watering schedules that are as flexible as your lifestyle. Plus, the controller uses real-time weather data to automatically skip unnecessary watering sessions on rainy days, saving you water and money. With its stylish black and white design, it not only functions effectively, but also adds a modern touch to your garden setup. Plus, it's lightweight at just 7.6 ounces, making installation a breeze. And it's built for ease. The power cable is 6 feet long, providing ample reach, and the unit supports valve outputs and wire sizes from 12 to 28 AWG. Although it's designed for indoor use, its operating temperature ranges from 4° F to 122° F, making it adaptable to various climates. Out of the box, you get the Wyze Sprinkler Controller itself, along with a power adapter, mounting plate, screws, wall anchors, and even a cord wrap to keep everything tidy. Plus, it includes a quick start guide, a wire label sheet for easy setup, and a 1-year Sprinkler Plus coupon, enhancing your watering efficiency right from the start. So if you're looking for a smart, customizable solution to manage your garden's irrigation effortlessly, the Wyze Sprinkler Controller could be the perfect fit. Hydrawise HC. At number 5, the Hydrawise HC stands out not only for its smart technology, but also for its comprehensive range of features designed to make garden management both simple and efficient. Available in both 6 and 12 station models, the Hydrawise HC caters to various garden sizes and complexities. It's Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to manage your irrigation system from anywhere in the world via your smartphone, tablet, or computer. And when it comes to water conservation, this controller is ahead of the curve with its predictive watering technology. This feature adjusts your irrigation schedule based on local weather data, ensuring optimal watering without waste. Ease of use? Check. The HC controller's dashboard and touchscreen interface make programming a breeze, even for beginners. It's the cost-effective high-tech solution for residential landscaping projects, providing substantial water savings and remote management capabilities. Enhance your system with Hunter's specialized sensors like the Rain Click, which stops watering in rain, or the Soil Click, which monitors soil moisture to prevent overwatering. There's even a Freeze Click sensor to protect your plants from cold damage by shutting off the system at temperatures as low as 3 degrees Celsius. The Hydrawise HC line includes models like the HC1200i and HC600i, each designed with a plastic indoor wall mount cabinet and equipped for European connections. Plus, with a 2-year warranty and robust security protocols including WPA/WPA2 and TLS, you can be sure that your garden is in safe hands, reliable, efficient, and intelligent. The Hydrawise HC is a top choice for those looking to elevate their garden care with cutting-edge technology. Ready to see what's at number 4? Let's keep the countdown going. Netro Sprite. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have the Netro Sprite, a smart controller that not only manages your garden's watering needs, but does it with style and advanced technology. The Netro Sprite leaps ahead with significant upgrades over its predecessor. It boasts a unique folding design and a physical user interface, making it both visually appealing and incredibly user-friendly. With faster Wi-Fi communication and a massive 16-zone capacity, the Sprite excels in both local and remote control capabilities. Away from your phone and need to start or stop watering? No problem. The Sprite's convenient touch buttons let you manage your irrigation on the fly. Plus, the LED display with backlighting allows you to easily check the watering status and network activities. And it's not just about convenience. The Netro Sprite also ensures your system is running smoothly with its onboard valve diagnosis. This feature automatically detects faulty solenoids in real time, providing better security and peace of mind. Designed with an eye for both aesthetics and functionality, the Netro Sprite enhances any home garden setup. It helps reduce water waste and maintain the health of your garden, all while looking good inside and out. The Sprite measures a compact 5.7 by 5.7 by 1.6 inches, and weighs just 12.7 ounces. It supports up to 8 zones plus a master valve, with wiring options tailored for 18 to 22 AWG, with operating temperatures ranging from -4 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built to perform under a variety of climate conditions. Each box includes everything you need for a quick installation: the smart irrigation controller itself, an AC adapter, wall screws, and a quick installation guide. And with a 2-year limited hardware warranty, the Netro Sprite guarantees not just smart watering, but smart buying. Impressive, right? Now let's move on to number 3, which brings even more innovation to the table. Stay tuned. RainMachine Touch HD-12. At number 3, meet the RainMachine Touch HD-12, an irrigation controller that truly listens to nature to help you save water and nurture your garden. The RainMachine Touch HD-12 revolutionizes garden care by syncing with real-time weather data. It adjusts your preset watering schedules based on daily weather conditions like evaporation rates, anticipated precipitation, and more, ensuring optimal watering without any waste. Utilizing advanced data from NOAA and other weather services, the RainMachine provides highly accurate localized weather forecasts. This means your irrigation system is as smart as it gets, with updates on humidity, wind speed, and solar irradiation. Imagine the precision of having a weather station right in your garden. This smart controller features a streamlined touchscreen interface that makes programming a breeze. You can adjust runtimes based on up-to-the-minute weather forecasts, ensuring that your garden gets precisely what it needs, when it needs it. The RainMachine is not only smart, but also resilient. It comes with freeze control to protect your plants during cold snaps and overheating protection during heat waves. Plus, it's equipped with a rain sensor connector, adding another layer of precision to your watering routine. Designed to operate within a wide temperature range from 20°C to 60°C, and compatible with Wi-Fi standards across the US, Japan, and EU, the RainMachine is truly a global solution. Its compact design, measuring just 115 x 115 by 27 mm, ensures it fits neatly in any space. And if you're environmentally conscious, you'll appreciate knowing that the RainMachine is EPA WaterSense certified, making it one of the most eco-friendly choices on the market. With the RainMachine Touch HD-12, you're not just installing a sprinkler controller, you're investing in a smarter, greener future for your garden. Ready to discover which device topped our list? Let's move on to the final 2 contenders that are redefining garden care. Orbit B-hyve XR. Next up at number 2, we have the revolutionary Orbit B-hyve XR. Not just your average sprinkler controller, but a comprehensive hub for your home's entire watering system. Imagine controlling your garden's hydration and safeguarding your home against water leaks and damage, all with one intelligent device. That's the power of the B-hyve XR, which offers seamless integration with Orbit's second-generation devices, like smart flood sensors and hose timers. With the B-hyve XR, stepping out doesn't mean stepping away from control. Thanks to its robust Wi-Fi connectivity, you can manage everything from the palm of your hand, wherever you are. Adjust your watering schedules, monitor moisture levels, and even get instant alerts about any water leaks or freeze events through the intuitive B-hyve app. It's about bringing efficiency and peace of mind directly to your smartphone. And let's talk about those flood sensors. Tiny yet mighty, these sensors fit discreetly in the hardest-to-reach areas of your home, providing early warnings for even the slightest water presence, directly to your phone. This isn't just about watering your plants, it's about protecting your home. Whether you're overseeing a sprawling lawn or a complex garden landscape, the B-hyve XR is ready to manage it all. Available in both 8 and 16 station configurations, it adapts to any size project. And it doesn't just perform, it excels, thanks to its adherence to EPA WaterSense protocols, ensuring you're not only saving money, but also contributing to water conservation efforts. So if you're looking for a smart watering solution that does more than just sprinkle water, The Orbit B-hyve XR is here to revolutionize how you care for both your garden and your home. It's smart, it's secure, and it's the future of residential irrigation. Rachio 3. And now, at the pinnacle of our top 7 countdown, we proudly present the Rachio 3, the ultimate smart sprinkler controller that combines convenience, efficiency, and intelligence into one sleek package. The Rachio 3 is the epitome of smart watering. It offers automated schedules that not only consider the specific needs of each zone in your garden, but also adapt in real time to local water restrictions and changing weather conditions, including rain, wind, and even freezing temperatures. This means your garden gets precisely what it needs, exactly when it needs it, without any waste or hassle. Control from anywhere is at your fingertips. Whether you're at home or halfway around the world, the Rachio 3's smartphone control lets you manage your irrigation system with ease. It's like having a personal gardener in your pocket. Plus, with at least 20% more efficient watering compared to traditional systems, Rachio 3 not only saves you water, but also reduces your utility bills. But that's not all. Rachio 3 goes beyond just watering your plants. It intelligently identifies which zones need more attention and tracks your watering schedule and history, allowing you to review and optimize water usage over time. And with its ability to disable watering in freezing conditions, it ensures that your system and plants stay protected no matter the weather. With Rachio 3, you're not just installing a sprinkler system, you're upgrading to a smarter, greener lifestyle. It's about more than just keeping your lawn and garden beautiful. It's about doing it in the most environmentally responsible way. That wraps up our guide to the top 7 smart sprinklers on the market. With any of these fantastic options, you're ready to take your home gardening into the future. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides like this. We've got plenty more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your home and garden. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which smart sprinkler you think is the best fit for your garden. Have you tried any of these models? Share your experiences and join the conversation. Until next video, happy smart farming inside.